What are some roles that will significantly evolve or completely disappear in 3 years because of AI?
I think in cybersecurity, one role that is constantly changing and will significantly change more is on the defense side. Any role to do with human education, human behavior. Obviously, as employees are adopting a wide-scale AI usage, it introduces such a different level of risk. We think about securing the AI.
I mean, a lot of analysts, a lot of junior roles will probably be gone for sure. I think that's probably the same across all of software, not just in cybersecurity.
We're going to have a lot less security engineers, maybe even MDR, response teams, and I also think analysts just in general.
Just any analysts or junior analysts?
Probably the junior analysts. A lot of the AI companies are going to do it first. They're going to get in there. And even, I think, some auditing, some GRC or governance risk and compliance auditors.
There are many cyber jobs that exist today, but you can talk about audit, you can talk about a SOC analyst. But what I see that all the cybersecurity jobs will remain except for the repetitive work that we do, especially for faster threat detection, right? So a SOC analyst, one may not be required in future, may be required for a decision making to understand better on a contextual basis for the company. But I believe SOC analyst L1 will not be there in near future. And similarly, I would say an internal audit function will soon be replaced by solutions. That's what I believe.
I would say the first job that's going to go away soon is the SOC analyst, because a lot of AI agents are going to do that work, because a lot of things already started as we speak today. So that's number one job that's going to go soon. And the other things are in terms of penetration testing, because today a lot of automated pen tests are in place. So that's also going to change a lot of things in pen testing world. And the third one I would say is the audits. Today we have a lot of auditors, ISO, this and that. Everybody are going to be reduced because these AI-based tools are going to do an automated assessments of the entire infrastructure, and they'll tell you where are the gaps. So these are the three areas I would say.
I think security analysts would be one of the jobs that would be significantly evolved, because now that AI is getting more capable and had the capabilities of exploring the maybe emails, which is the domain I work in.